Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your NBA Live app. So all you have to do is you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here until you're looking for NBA Live app or just click on search. Then here add MPA live app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. Then you search for MPI Live, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.